Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out the Mini Breaker palette. I am so excited for this palette, especially with my hair color. I really wanted to save this palette to really go bold with the purples and the orange shades with this green hair. I have been dying to do purple. I'm sorry I sound a little weird in this video. I woke up super congested. My sinuses are really just like we're gonna get through this video. Hopefully I can go through all of the shades in this palette. I really want to go through all these shades. There's a lot of them that I'm like, I just need in my life now. If you missed my Jawbreaker palette, I will be doing a quick little swatch video over the Mini Breaker palette. So just going across, we have Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Whirl, Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. Let's get on into this, shall we? Whoa. So I already primed my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. Been really loving this so far. I'm gonna start off with Double Scoop, and I'm gonna start off by putting this on the inner part of, oh my gosh, this corner of this palette is so incredibly sharp. I just went to put my finger here like this and hold it, and I was like, oh, I'm about to slice my finger open. I kind of feel like I know what I want to do. Kind of go orange to purple, because I want the purple to really like blow out as much as I can. I'm going to be taking the shade Orange Crush. Had a little bit of glitter in it, but we're just going to put this kind of in my inner corner and blending it to that Double Scoop. I'd honestly leave my eyeshadow like this. That actually looks kind of cool. You guys probably think I'm so weird. So now I'm going to take Bubblegum, the pink shade in the palette, and I'm going to start blending that up and out. We are going to take Foreplay now. Kind of do, ooh, this one is soft. Kind of do the same thing, but putting it on the lid. I want this super smoky. So I'm gonna take Purple Punch now, the shade right in the center, and I'm gonna use this one to just deepen it up even further. I'm also gonna put this under my lash line here. I'm so excited for the purple eyeshadow. So now we're gonna get into the shimmer shade. I'm gonna take the shade Bite Me. I'm gonna take this wet, and I'm gonna put this where I don't have any of that eyeshadow, and I don't wanna take it further than this. So I'm gonna mix Orange Crush and Foreplay together, and I'm just gonna blend spot right there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on the other side too. And then I'm gonna take the shade Slice, using this one wet as well. I'm just gonna, oh, that's really bright, padding, and try and blend these together. And then I'm gonna take Orange Crush. I'm gonna blend this into the purple on my lower lash line. Ooh, you know what this reminds me of? You guys have seen Katy Perry's new music video? What is that song called? Never Again? She has this dress that I want, and it's like kind of orange to purple, and this is kind of what it reminds me of. Maybe it was my inspiration. And then I'm gonna take the shade Whirl, and I'm not gonna wet this, but I'm gonna put this on my inner corner. Then I'm gonna take Whirl again. This time I am going to wet it, and I'm gonna put it right in the center on my lid. All right, I'm gonna do my mascara, and I'll be right back to try out some highlighters. So now we're gonna highlight with Brain Freeze. In my last video, I used Frozen Fruit, Freeze Tag, and Gold Breaker. So I want to try out the shade Cocky and maybe a little bit of this shade. I don't really know how to say that, but I'm first gonna take Cocky. Okay, that's not too dark for me. It's actually really pretty. I was a bit afraid that was gonna be too dark. I'm gonna put a little bit. I love putting a highlighter where the edge of my bronzer is on my forehead. I don't really know why, but I think it just kind of pulls all the highlighter together. This shade, I'm not even gonna try to say it anymore. And I'm just gonna tap. Well, blend it on the bottom edge of the highlighter. That's actually not that dark. Hold up. Let me put this on my hand. That's actually not as dark as I really thought it was gonna be. It's a little bit more yellow. And then I'm gonna take just a teensy bit of Diamond Wet, the Supreme Frost, and I'm gonna put this just on the highest point. Ooh, so with Diamond Wet, without Diamond Wet, with Diamond Wet. This one is like the Diamond Bomb from Fenty, but almost on like steroids. And then I actually want to take Caramel Kiss, the Supreme Frost, and I want to put this just a little bit over in my inner corner. All right, I think those kind of topped everything off. Now I'm really dying to put on No Offense, so we're gonna use this one today. All right, this was a struggle bus, and I'm actually quite impressed. I have been brushing my teeth 3 or 4 times a day to get my teeth really clean, and this actually makes my teeth look super white. I am so shocked. I did not think this was gonna make my teeth look so white, but this took like 3 layers to build it up, and it doesn't look the best. So this is what it's looking like up close. I might put it in the refrigerator, but I can't get rid of the streakiness. Like, look, it just gets streaky. So I actually really love this color, but it's taking a lot of layers to get this built up. But y'all know I'm wearing this whole look all day today. I am feeling myself, even the green lipstick. All right, this is it for this video. If you guys like this video and you like me showing how I use the Mini Breaker palette, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, I am in the mood to hear from you guys, so in the comments, let me know something totally random. Like, you can tell me where you're from, you can tell me what you're doing today, what's been going on in your life. I'm down to chat with you guys. So let's have a bunch of different conversations going on in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.